Next on Youth Folio is our sports section. Today, we shall show you Taekwondo tournament which took place in Manipur. Taekwondo was added to the list of Olympic competitions only in the last London Olympics of 2012. So a good performance in this sport can take one to the world stage.
Over 350 Taekwondo players spanning from little children to youth and including both boys and girls from 15 units of Manipur combated with each other in full Taekwondo gears to win glittering trophies and medals in the 10th Governors Taekwondo Championship held at Imphaal's Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium. Taekwondo was included as a sport only recently in the last Olympics, but unfortunately, India could not qualify. This time, the Indian players, including these stars from Manipur, are practicing hard and taking part in various contests organized by the state in a bid to excel and win trophies for the nation. The overall team championship of the present tournament went to UTA team, who secured 454 points, while runners-up team NSA got 270 points. The Manipur Taekwondo Association is asking for long-term training program for the players.
At the last Olympic, Taekwondo was included as an official game. But very unfortunately, our Indian team was not qualified. So, without the talented player of Manipur, Indian team may not be, qualified. So Manipur is the player of Manipur will play the vital role for recognition first. Our association has been trying to make a proposal to the government for a long-term coaching camp.
Music and dance are integral to life in the Northeast. So the recent Northeastern Tribal Cultural Dance program held in Agartala, Tripura was hugely appreciated. People in the audiences loved not only watching the dances from the region but also the culture from other states.
A Northeast and Tribal Cultural Extravaganza was held in the Nazrul Kalakshetra of Agartala, Tripura, organized by the Northeast Zone Cultural Center and Asiatic Society, Kolkata. The two-day program saw dance troupes of Tripura, West Bengal, Nagaland and Rajasthan casting their spell and upholding the oft-repeated truth that music and dance transcends all boundaries and brings people of all communities, castes and creed together. The program started with host state Tripura's troupe performing the vivacious Libang Bumani dance. Dressed in red and white bright traditional clothes, the young men and women mesmerized every person in the audience with their joyous dance, accompanied with rhythms from bamboo sticks held in their hands. Next came the devotional dances from West Bengal troops, starting with Ganesh Vandana by talented lady dancers, Shiva Parvati dance and so on.
সেই অর্ধনারীশ্বর
Kolkata troops went on to perform Kathak dance on famous songs of late singer Manna De. Next came the energetic Naga ladies dance. Dressed in pink and accompanied by ladies wearing green traditional clothes, complete with leg ornaments and short staff in their hands, dance gave an insight into the world of Naga culture to all onlookers. The Rajasthani singers of the Langa and Manganiyar communities sang out some of the most popular songs right after the Naga dance. But the maximum cheers were reserved for the last astounding dance by a Rajasthani male dancer who balanced a whopping number of 10 pots overhead while never stopping his dance. He was later accompanied by two lovely ladies. The Northeast audience too learnt a lot about the rich cultures of other states of the country from this event.
Well friends, we have to wrap up the show now. But before bidding goodbye, we would like to announce the names of the week's contest winners.
For our contest section, we had asked you to name the college in which the Anytime Festival was held. The answer is Hindu College, Delhi University. The winners are Oshank Perme from Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, El Zorami Sailo from Lunglei, Mizoram, and Rishiraj Bhorali from Jorhat, Assam.
Congratulations winners! You will get your gift check soon. Viewers, we hope you enjoyed watching the episode as much as we enjoyed putting it together for you. Tune in again next week at the same time and on the same channel. Until then, answer this simple question. How many Bihus does Assam celebrate? Rush in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354 07310. Until next week, goodbye and take care.